So I'm here today with Randy Birkemeier. Randy, thank you for coming in to do this video with me. So let's get to know you a little bit.
Sure.
Okay, you've been in the industry since 2002, renovating homes, and you got your license in September 2013.
Correct.
And you've been with us ever since. What made you choose to get your license, your real estate license?
I found that I needed to take my business to the next level. And during my years of investing in that before 2013, I was getting a lot of people coming to me, asking me different questions about selling their house, buying a house. They're in the process of doing one or the other. And I just found myself asking a lot of questions and finding that sometimes they were being led down the wrong path.
Sure.
And I thought that I was going to be able to help them and give them what they need to make decisions.
All right, great. So what do you like about being a realtor?
It's a lot of fun. I love real estate, always have. I like helping people. I like giving people the answers to questions that they have so they can make a good, intelligent question or answer or decision about their home.
Sure.
You know, that they're buying or they're selling.
Mm-hmm. So what do you contribute to your success?
I've been in the construction industry my whole life, basically. My dad was in the construction industry. So I understand residential homes. I understand how they're put together. I understand the workings of them. And with all the properties I've sold in the past and that, I've had over 100 different transactions. And I've been on both sides of the table. I've been on the side of selling, I've been on the side of buying, and I totally understand the process. And I could give that to my clients.
Sure, sure. So what sets you apart from other realtors?
That for one does.
Right.
What I just said. I'm able to, I don't sell. I help them fact find. And we're out fact finding. I give them the information. I get the information to them and help them make a decision on what's best for their life. They're moving to the next chapter. They need to know, and that's what I help them out with.
Well, you work with a lot of investors too. So.
That's correct, I do.
So
yes.
that kind of sets you apart.
Absolutely, yes.
Because your wealth of knowledge in that part of the industry.
Yes, yes.
So you've been licensed since 2013. You've been with us since. What do you like about Grassmuck Realty? What do you think sets us apart from other realty companies?
What sets us apart, or sets this brokerage apart, is it's more of a family. I've talked to other agents that have been other places, and I've interviewed for other ones. Mm-hmm. And you're just a number. Yep. All they're worried about is how much revenue you could be bringing into the brokerage. That is all they care about. Mm-hmm. I care more about the clients I help, and that is part of what I liked about this brokerage. We help individuals. Sure. We're not in sales. We're not out trying to push numbers or anything like that. We're out helping individuals buy their houses or sell their houses.
Sure. So you've been married to your lovely wife for 37 years, Terry,
yes.
who helps you a lot in the renovation and flipping
Absolutely.
houses.
She's my business partner.
Yeah, and between the two of you have one grown daughter and two beautiful grandchildren.
I do.
So what do you do for fun?
Believe it or not, real estate. We love real estate. We probably do real estate 24/7.
But there are times that you go trout fishing.
Yes, yes. Every once in a while, I'll take a few days off and I'll go trout fishing and that. But I like to work hard and play hard.
Absolutely.
So I've found a way to mix them both, and we're always doing things. My wife and I, we love looking at houses. We look at houses every day of the week. We went and looked at, 11 houses over the weekend.
Wow.
Wow. So I'm in tune to what's going on in St. Louis and St. Charles Market.
Wow, that's awesome. So, well, I appreciate you coming out today and
Sure.
doing this video with me, and it was really nice getting to hear what makes you such a great realtor and a choice for people.
I appreciate it.
All right,
Thank you
thanks
very
for
much.
coming out.
Thank you.